Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about SDG goals and their impact on the world. Well, what are SDG goals? SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goals. They are 17 interconnected global goals adopted by the UN in the year 2015. It was formed as a blueprint to end poverty, protect the planet, and prosperity for everyone by the year 2030. Well, if we talk about the SDG goals, they would be covering by their domains. There are three domains of SDG goals: social, economic, and environmental. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, reduce inequality in social domain, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure in economic domain, climate action, life below water, life on land, clean water and sanitation in environmental domain. Now, if we talk about the impact on the world, then of course the impact on SDG on the world has already been significant. Millions of people have been lifted out of extreme poverty through better policies, social protection, and economic opportunities. Greater focus on quality education has increased school enrollment, especially for girls, empowering future generations. They have also encouraged countries to improve healthcare systems, reducing child mortality and fighting deadly diseases. Environmental protection is another major impact. Goals related to clean energy, climate action, and life on land and water have pushed nations to invest in renewable energy, protect forests, and reduce pollution. While challenges remain, global awareness about sustainability has grown like never before. Perhaps the strongest impact of SDG is global cooperation. Government, businesses, and citizens now work together, realizing that global problems need global solutions. The SDGs remind us that the development should leave no one behind. In conclusion, the SDG goals are not just targets but a roadmap for humanity. Now, let's cover a few fun facts. The world's indigenous population makes only 5% of the world population, yet responsible for protecting 80% of global biodiversity. Second, the uncounted children. There are currently over 520 children worldwide who are uncounted, meaning they live in countries that lack enough data to track their progress on health and education. The next point that we have is the happiness leader. For the ninth year in a row, Finland, the top ranking country for SDG progress, remains the world's happiest nation as we start the year 2026. 2024 was recorded as the hottest year in history, and CO2 levels are currently at their highest in over 2 million years. But how to take action? Using